On 14th September 2023, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had inaugurated the first of its kind in the Northeast Fruit Wine Incubation Centre at the campus of the Institute of Hotel Management, Shillong. This initiative, which is a collaboration between the Meghalaya Farmers Welfare Commission and the IHM Shillong, will be a great opportunity for entrepreneurs and winemakers of Meghalaya and the Northeast in general. The Chief Minister was accompanied by Cabinet Ministers Ampreen Lingdo and Karmen Shila, the Chairman of the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission K.N. Kumar, other officials of the state government, besides the principal, staff and students of the Institute of Hotel Management Shillong. The Meghalaya Chief Minister expressed great satisfaction at this wonderful initiative, which he is hopeful will help farmers and winemakers of the region to get maximum profit from their produce and products and encourage entrepreneurship among the youth.
Producers Association and the Fruit Wine Ambassador for Meghalaya. And more importantly, she and her husband and their team of winemakers are not Ushi Dattari S. Morin. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Yet sweet tasting wine that sits well on the palate and can be paired with many meat-based dishes and dairy products. The other one is the dry and the sweet ginger ale with approximately 67,000 metric tons of ginger production per year, and more to come under the new ginger mission. Meghalaya is...
I guess, this has the capability to, or the potential to unlock a huge capacity that is just lying, dormant, I should say. And that is the reason why when we saw all of this, we were convinced that there has to be a proper system, a proper policy, a proper framework, a proper support structure, a proper ecosystem that is going to allow the local fruit winemakers to really flourish in our state, which would then unlock the potentials that are there for agriculture, for farmers, for tourists, for entrepreneurs, so on and so forth. So that's what went into all of this. And let me just tell you and share with you that this building that you're seeing and the structure you're seeing in front of us didn't happen just like that. There's a lot of work that has gone into it, a lot of thought process, and a lot of energy by some really, really great people.